Hi friends. So today's topic would be selling on Amazon. I'm Raj, selling on Amazon for the last 2 years. I sell in around 7 to 8 marketplaces across the world, including Dubai. So let's look at the main points which made me like selling on Amazon. So the first point is you have to understand that Amazon basically has three main characteristic. One is you can sell on Amazon having your product serviced by yourself. That means you can keep the products with you and you can sell it. Second is the fulfillment by Amazon, which is what I like the most, where Amazon takes care of storing, packing, shipping, and they also provide the customer service for your products. Now, the third one, which is also very important to note, is that Amazon also allows you to place product ads and you can increase the traffic to your site using the ads. Okay, so how does this fulfillment by Amazon work? Now, fulfillment Amazon is basically a service provided by Amazon which helps in storing and servicing the customer from their end directly. So here what happens is the seller sends the products to the Amazon fulfillment center and Amazon will store the items at your cost, and then when the customer orders the material they take care of the service and they also handle the customer service component. Wonderful, isn't it? Okay, so let's look at the three major ways of selling on online, and in fact let's look at the main pain points and the good points. So the limitations of offline retail, which is selling by a brick and mortar, which is a common concept you see across the world, is that you don't have a reach beyond your particular geographical area. Again, there's a cost of operation, and then there is a lot of space you have to pay. The display space where you keep the product you need to pay. Then there's the inventory management issues, and then payment options also are an issue. Let's look at the other model, which is the online retailer model, where you have your own website and sell. So here, the high cost of going and staying online is definitely a big pain point, and you need to also spend money on the customer acquisition and conversion, and then the payment gateway challenges are also there. Of course, we cannot deny that there will be a lot of last mile delivery issues, which if you don't have a proper courier setup, you have issues. Now, how does Amazon take care of these challenges? Now, Amazon, we don't need any upfront cost to set up your shop. So you just have your product and then you can use the platform to sell. Amazon can be used as additional sales channel also. That means you already have a sale in brick and mortar, or you have your own website and you also sell in the Amazon. You have variable cost structure. That means you pay Amazon only when you sell. Then the robust payment system. It's very dependable, and the people who are buying on Amazon platform, they just love it. And finally, the ease of use. The ease of use is known to everybody. It's a very good platform, and I would recommend that you can keep Amazon as your additional sales channel. Thank you, friends.